Hi, I'm Heidi and this is Scott from Daltons.
Hello.
Today we're going to be talking about our 7-in-1 fertiliser pellet range. So 7 ingredients.
We've managed to sneak 7 really beneficial nutrients into this product.
These are really small pellets. How do you get 7 ingredients into each one?
We make up a master batch of all these unique ingredients that are in there, the seaweed, the dolomite, the chicken manure, all the different manures. We go through quite a slow brewing process prior to squeezing them out through our pelletizing machine. We are very proud of what we've ended up with.
So you've got a couple in the range, so how are they different?
We formulate the natural ingredients that we use slightly different with each formula. So citrus have a bit more of a demand for certain nutrients, so we just tailor those up as required.
And so how do you use them in the garden?
The good thing is that we've broken it down into the standard average adult handful is about 85 grams of our pellets, and so we give the rate to you both in grams per square metre and handfuls per square metre.
Can you add them for planting, or is it just on top?
No, all of that. So you can actually, when you're planting a new plant, you can, once you've dug the hole, probably normally twice the size of the plant, you can drop some of these pellets in the bottom of the hole, dig them into the existing soil and plant directly on top. When applying it to a garden that you're looking to enrich, you make sure you use it at the rate as per the label on the bag, which we recommend about 1 kilo per metre squared. You sprinkle it liberally around the garden and you fork or dig that in. So you really want to mix that in so the benefits of all those organic nutrients are around the root zone of the plant.
How would you apply it around established plants?
Again, you work on that rate of about 1 kg of product per metre squared. We've got a lot of fine material in our pellets and they break down pretty rapidly. They're just held together by force. Once they break open, that fine material migrates into the soil profile pretty quickly.
So what are your top tips?
So when you're applying it from the top, just make sure anything that falls on the foliage that you sort of either brush it off with your hand or you water it in well.
Is there a certain time of year that you should be applying fertiliser pellets?
They can be applied all year round, but the best time of the year is when they've got time to be washed in before you require the nutrients. So we say winter or early spring. One of the real benefits of this product is it's made from natural ingredients, really naturally sourced material. So those are not interested in the chemical option, this is a great way to put more natural products back into the soil.
Great.